Hello everyone, this is the entry specialist. What I have for you guys today is a Delta lock I got from Aldi. It's got a 40mm shackle, and it's got one of the features, a special feature that I want to share with you guys. And first, let's see what it takes to get this lock open. I'll be using top of the tension with a Peterson gem. Okay, let's try some hooks. Not a problem at all. Another hook. The Sparrow's Tron. And the Sparrow's Worm. How about let's try a long reach from Tool. And a Warlock. Okay, how about the Snowman? And maybe a broken key extractor. How about a broken pick? Come on. There you go. How about a tensioner. About a Sparrow decoder. There you go. Next we'll try a paper clip. Okay. It's quite hard to feel or touch the pins. Okay, but anyway, it's open. Okay, and finally, I've got this Swiss Army knife with a toothpick. Let's try if this will open the lock. Okay. Come on. There you go. There you have it. As you can see, you don't see many locks with this feature. So if you want any lock like this, make sure to go to Aldi and get this Delta lock. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you all next time.